Good morning to all. Distinguished our chairman, sir, respectable and energetic and dynamic personality of our college principal, ma'am, and above all, my dear beloved students. Once again, I say good morning to all. Today, we are going to discuss in the title, the story of the Potter, for second in English, under the title Children's Literature, under the subject Children's Literature. The story of the Potter, which comes Panchatantra stories. Each and every work has some writers has written, but in the story of the Potter, there is no blanking one because it comes under the Panchatantra stories. So that it is anonymous work. Anonymous work means unnamed author. Unnamed author. Panchatantra story means nothing but which gives moral themes to the society. That is called Panchatantra stories. Definition of the short story. Short story means nothing but a piece of short prose fiction that typically we can be understood within a single sitting. I mean, within a single sitting, we have to be completed the whole concept of the story. That is called short story. Short story has some salient features. In short story, some characters are determined. Not less than 2 characters and not more than 6 characters. In a short story, the narrator is essential factor to determine the short story. Here, first person narrator, second person narrator and third person narrators are used. Mostly first person narrator is being used in short story. And second person, third person narrator occasionally are being used in short story. Now, come to the title. The story of the Potter. Once upon a time, there was a village where Potter is lived, whose name is Yudhishthira. Whose name is Yudhishthira. He is having intoxicate habits. Intoxicate habits. Intoxicate habit means nothing but alcohol habits. Every day he takes alcohol. One day he takes alcohol much more, so that who stumbled on the road. After stumbled on the road, he got a scar on his forehead, which took a long time to heal. Heal means recover. But anyhow, it recovered. After recover from the scar, from the wound, after recover from the wound, the country faces great famine. So that the Yudhishthira, I mean the Potter, could not be lived and survival in the same village. So that he has decided himself to go out from the village and stay in some other village. As he wishes, he goes and stay in nearby the village, beside of the village. As he wishes, as he likes, beside the village, the great ruler, the great king ruled the country. At the first sight, he goes and stayed in the country. At the first sight of the king, the Potter, at the first sight of a king, the Potter must have been a great warrior according to the view of the king. But the Potter didn't belong to the great warrior. He belongs to Potter community. But according to the view of a king, Yudhishthira belongs to great warrior. In such a case, in the course of time, he lives peacefully and happily. The king gives more attention to the Yudhishthira. He got everything from the king in the country. One day, the country faces, the village faces the great war. So, the king ordered to everyone of the warrior to get ready for the war. On hearing the words from the king, the Yudhishthira is shocked because according to the view of Yudhishthira is great warrior, but Yudhishthira belonged to Patra community. The only knows about himself only, but doesn't know anything about it. King. In the same way, the king is asked the Yudhishthira, the Patra, to get ready for the war. On hearing the words from the king, the Yudhishthira is shocked because he doesn't know anything about it in the battlefield, because he comes from the Patra community. Immediately, he speaks with the king. The great lord, the great king, I am not a great warrior as you think. I come from Patra community. After hearing the words from Yudhishthira, the king is shocked. Immediately, the king ordered to his servant throw out Yudhishthira from the palace. The words is said by the king. Immediately, the Yudhishthira is shocked because already he has come out from their own village. Now he is stayed at another village under the great kingdom. But if I go in summer worlds, there is no possibility to live on survival of his own life. So that he plead with the king. If you give the permission to me, I go and participate in the battlefield. But the king replied to the Yudhishthira, if you go and participate in the war, you don't kill any horse, elephant, and because you are come from Patra community, you don't kill anyone. So that I would like to say some more story for you. Here, the story within a story is being used by the king. The story within the story is being used by the great king in order to teach to the Yudhishthira. There was a village. The lion families lived with the two cubes. Cubes means nothing but young of animal. Animals, children. One day, the lion goes to forest in order to search the food, where there is no food available in the forest. Food means here prey. The lion goes to forest in order to search the prey, food. In such on the particular time, on the particular day, there is no food available in the forest. When the lion is returning from the forest to the house, the lion sees two jackal cubes on the way. Immediately, the lion caught and brought to the house. At the time, the lion is asked to her husband, to the lion, if there is any food, if there is any prey is available. Immediately, the lion says, there is no food available today, so that I can't eat two jackal cubes on the returning to home. At the first sight, lioness sees the two jackal cubes as their own child. The lion says to lioness, if you are having more hungry, you just kill them and eat them. But lioness is replied to the lion, I don't kill them because which resembles, two jackal cubes resembles as my own child. So that if you give permission me, I take care of two jackal cubes as our children, as our cubes. And the permission is granted by lion to the lioness. So that two jackal cubes and the lion families, two lion cubes are joined together, eat, drinks, slept together with happily. In the course of time, one day, the two lion cubes and two jackal cubes, go and play in the ground. At the time, the elephant passes by. Immediately, two lion cubes go and attack the elephant. But two jackal cubes didn't attack the elephant. The Two jackal cubes says to lion cubes, elephant is enemy for lion, not for us. On the words is hereby lion cubes immediately shocked and returned to the house and complained against two jackal cubes. Here, there is no variations to line cubes and to checkle cubes because they are young. They are young cubes, so that there is no variations from each and other. That's why two jackal cubes says the elephant is enemy for lion, not for us. But the word says heard by lion gives shocked and complained against it to jackal gives to their own parent to their own parent. Immediately the lion is asked to the two jackal gives, you are also my own children and they are also my own children. Nowadays there is a danger is ahead for you, so that this is not a good time to stay in our home, so that you go and stay with your own folk family, because if they grow older, definitely they will find some variations from them. So that is a good time, I mean, this is a good fortune, you go and stay with your family, with your folk community. This is good time for you. As he asked the lioness, two jackal gives go and stay in the forest with their own family of folk community. This story is described by the great king to the potter Yudhishthira. Why he says this? Why he says the story? He teaches something to the potter, because as a potter should not be work as a great warrior. They will find out, I mean, the warrior before find out you from the potter community, you should go out from the palace. As I asked the king, the potter is left out from the palace. The story is end. Here, what we have known from the story of the potter, the main theme, the moral theme is you should. The moral theme is you should never try to be like someone, so that you should be you are. That is a moral theme that story teach us. Thank you giving for opportunity. Thank you, mom.